Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone. Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. Welcome to the 2000 Core English Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is story. 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 A story is something that happened to you or something that happened to a character, like in a movie or in a book. Every day we have little things or big things that happen to us, and when we tell these to other people, they become stories. Here's an example. A drama has a serious storyline. A drama has a serious storyline. A drama has a serious storyline. Plot. 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 The plot of a story is the sequence of things that happen. So the plot tells us all of the key information, and it can be very dramatic, it can be exciting, it can maybe be funny. So the plot is the sequence of key things that happen in the story. Here's an example. The mystery movie had an intriguing plot. The mystery movie had an intriguing plot. The mystery movie had an intriguing plot. Pop music. Pop music. Pop music. You can think of pop music as popular music. So pop music is usually very upbeat, it's kind of fun, it's easy to listen to, lots of people can listen to it. Pop music these days is usually what you hear on the radio. Here's an example. Pop music is a popular music genre started in the 1950s. Pop music is a popular music genre started in the 1950s. Pop music is a popular music genre started in the 1950s. Singer. 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 A singer is a person who sings. So in a band, the singer is the person who is saying the words, singing the words to the song. Maybe there's no band in some situations, and there's just one solo artist who is a singer. So singers are very, very common. Here's an example. The singer has a beautiful voice. The singer has a beautiful voice. The singer has a beautiful voice. Jazz. 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 Jazz is a very popular type of music. In jazz, there are usually acoustic instruments played, so that means non-electric instruments. And the key with jazz is improvisation. So the musicians can make their own kinds of music together in a very fluid way. Here's an example. The trumpet is a valuable instrument in jazz music. The trumpet is a valuable instrument in jazz music. The trumpet is a valuable instrument in jazz music. Rock music. Rock music. Rock music. Rock music is often a kind of aggressive and often as well upbeat, but sometimes also kind of sad at times, depending on the song. This is a certain type of music that tends to use lots and lots of electric sounds, so like electric guitars and maybe electric pianos as well, and lots of heavy drumming. Here's an example. The man is performing rock music. The man is performing rock music. The man is performing rock music. Classical music. Classical music. Classical music. Classical music is a very old style of performing music. So we use acoustic instruments to do this, and we usually use sheet music. So they're very, very long pieces that sound beautiful and have lots of string instruments, as well as other woodwind instruments too. Here's an example. Classical music makes my anxiety calm down. Classical music makes my anxiety calm down. Classical music makes my anxiety calm down. Rap music. Rap music. Rap music. Rap music is a more modern style of music. In rap music, wordplay is definitely one of the big focuses. In rap music, it's almost like spoken poetry at times. It can be a little bit aggressive. It can be sometimes sad, depending on the artist. But in rap music, a lot of wordplay features in the songs. Here's an example. My daughter only listens to rap music. My daughter only listens to rap music. My daughter only listens to rap music. Band. 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 A band is a group of musicians that come together to play music together, and the band usually has a name. So perhaps in your country, you know some very popular bands, groups of musicians, and usually a singer, or maybe two, that come together to create their own type of music. Here's an example. 3 bands played in a free concert in the park. 3 bands played in a free concert in the park. 3 bands played in a free concert in the park. Earphones. 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 Earphones are small devices we put into our ears so we can listen to music or podcasts or other things, maybe books on tape, for example. So earphones are different from headphones. Headphones go over your ears. Earphones go inside. Here's an example. These earphones hurt my ears. These earphones hurt my ears. These earphones hurt my ears. Let's review. I'm going to describe a word or phrase in English. See if you can remember it. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say the word we use when something happens to us and we tell that to someone else? It can also be what happens in a movie or in a book, and then we read that. Story. Story. And how to say the sequence of events in the story. It can feel dramatic, it can feel funny, it can be romantic, and so on. Plot. Plot. What about the expression that we use for popular music that's usually upbeat, pretty happy, and often on the radio? Pop music. Pop music. Do you remember how to say the word for the person who sings the songs? Singer. Singer. Let's try the word for the genre of music that uses a lot of improvisation. Jazz. Jazz. What about the word for the type of music that often features electric guitars, maybe electric piano, and some maybe aggressive drumming? Rock music. Rock music. Now, let's see if you remember how to say the expression for the very old style of music that's played with string instruments, brass instruments, and woodwind instruments, and that's very, very long when you listen to it. Classical music. Classical music. Another one. What about the genre of music that uses a lot of really interesting wordplay and heavy beats? Rap music. Rap music. Do you remember how to say the word for a group of musicians that comes together to create music, usually with a special name? Band. Band. And finally, do you remember how to say the device that you put into your ears to listen to music or other audio programs? Earphones. Earphones. Well done. See you next time. Bye.